Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the transfer limit for Poppy Bank. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm happy to answer it for you. What is the transfer limit for Poppy Bank? The transfer limit for Poppy Bank varies depending on your account type and your location. However, there are some general guidelines that you can follow. For personal accounts, the maximum daily transfer limit is N50,000. This means that you can transfer up to N50,000 to or from your Poppy Bank account in a single day. For business accounts, the maximum daily transfer limit is N100,000. This means that you can transfer up to N100,000 to or from your Poppy Bank account in a single day. How to increase your transfer limit? If you need to transfer more than the daily limit, you can contact Poppy Bank customer service. They will be able to help you increase your transfer limit. Additional information. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about Poppy Bank transfer limits. You can transfer money to and from your Poppy Bank account using a variety of methods, including online banking, mobile banking, and ATM transfers. There may be additional fees associated with transferring money to or from your Poppy Bank account. The transfer limit may be lower for certain types of transactions, such as international transfers. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.